Why Mark Cuban joined Ripple in the fight against the SEC. Although criticism of cryptocurrencies continues to come, famous names well known by the markets are not slow to respond to these criticisms. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban took former SEC attorney to task for failing to understand crypto. Let's find out more about this. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about the growth of Ripple despite the lawsuit, how is the XRP army fighting against the SEC, and the reason you are here, why Mark Cuban is fighting against the SEC, and finally, the price analysis for Ripple. So, let's start our video. Ripple growth despite the SEC lawsuit. Back in December 2020, when crypto was at one of its highest ever hikes, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple. Allegedly, Ripple was selling XRP worth over $1.38 billion USD without registering a securities offering. Following this charge, Ripple lost business with renowned exchanges, including the second largest money transfer service, MoneyGram. It is believed that Ripple lost business and market to a huge extent. It might be true to a certain extent, but it is not true anymore. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, says that Ripple was hit hard financially after the SEC filed the lawsuit. But the company is now expanding its uses for XRP technology. At the Consensus by CoinDesk in its 2021 conference last week, Garlinghouse said that, in Southeast Asia, one of our fastest growing segments, we see activity growth 10 times year on year. Before SEC filed its claim in December, the quarter-to-quarter growth of the company was around 40% in 2020. Despite the SEC claim, Ripple is enjoying fairly strong support across Asia, including Japan, where it is looking forward to serving in the domain of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. The XRP army against the SEC. The lawsuit filed against Ripple by Jay Clayton just before the end of his term at the end of 2020 was on the agenda of the cryptocurrency markets. With XRP, which fell with the news of the lawsuit, many investors made a loss and started to raise their reactions against the SEC. These Ripple investors came to the fore again with a protest they made recently. Supporters of the popular altcoin XRP had gathered in front of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, building in Washington to protest the institution's lawsuit against Ripple. The demonstrators were holding banners that read, "Cryptocurrencies are not a crime. Stop cryptocurrency hypocrisy," and "XRP for life," demanded an end to the war on cryptocurrencies and an investigation of former President Jay Clayton. The Ripple community has recently launched a petition on change.org, as well as sent thousands of petitions to the regulatory agency. Mark Cuban fight against the SEC. Mark Cuban is a well-known name amongst investors, with his cryptocurrency comments on his personal Twitter account. He is one of the most followed investors in the market, along with Elon Musk, especially with his explanation for Dogecoin and his support for the community. Billionaire investor Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks club, has given a sharp response to one of the criticisms of cryptocurrency. In a recent tweet, billionaire Mark Cuban joined a choir of critics of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, and the former SEC attorney John Reed Stark, who was at the top of the agenda of the Ripple case, has been slammed by the Shark Tank host for having absolutely no knowledge of crypto. In a tweet he shared during the day, Cuban targeted a former SEC lawyer who has been on the agenda with Ripple case recently. Cuban responded to attorney John Reed Stark's criticism of cryptocurrencies by saying he absolutely didn't understand anything about cryptocurrencies. Cuban left in it, and Crypto Money expects the industry to provide more positive effects. He stated, "I watched CNBC and the former SEC guest has no understanding of cryptocurrencies. He says they are of no use. The sure thing is that cryptocurrencies will contribute more to the industry than the SEC. Cuban says crypto will continue to positively impact businesses more than the regulator." Earlier, Stark said that neither Bitcoin nor any other crypto had any utility. The volatility is unbelievable, and also, what a lot of people miss is that there is no utility in Bitcoin or any other crypto. The only reason people own is hoping it will go up because someone else will buy it. The speed of which Cuban has turned from a skeptic into a crypto advocate is astonishing. In December, for instance, he himself claimed that bananas had more utility than Bitcoin because they have potassium. Now he has outlined a myriad of use cases for crypto. Whether insurance, money transfer, provenance for digital files, marketplace efficiency for digital content, personal banking, prediction markets, non-fractionalized banking, structured financial products, fractionalization of assets, gaming rewards, and soon ticketing. Brad Garlinghouse on cryptocurrency regulatory survival. As Ripple has also said that this partnership is another proof point of Ripple's version of the Internet of Value to enable the world to move money like information moves today. Ripple has been in the shackles of the SEC lawsuit since last year. Previously on the regulatory clarity, Garlinghouse said the US has yet to provide clear regulatory guidelines for cryptocurrencies unlike countries in Asia. He told CNBC's Squawk Box Asia, "I give credit to markets like Singapore and even parts of Korea where there really has been a thoughtful government-led effort to define and have clear regulatory frameworks around cryptocurrencies."
Look, I give credit to markets like Singapore and even parts of Korea where there really has been a thoughtful government-led effort to define and have clear regulatory frameworks around cryptocurrencies.
Recently in the interview to the same show, Brad Garlinghouse doubled down on his frustration surrounding the lack of clarity in the US regulation of digital assets. He says a big part of the problem with crypto regulation in the United States is not the cryptocurrency players, but the lack of action from the US regulators compared to global peers. The SEC charged Ripple, co-founder Chris Larsen, and Garlinghouse with conducting an illegal securities offering that allegedly raised more than $1.3 billion through sales of XRP. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse said, "There's a misunderstanding of how these technologies can be applied in the United States. There has been a lack of regulatory clarity. Other countries and G20 markets have invested the time and energy, either through legislation or rulemaking, to provide that clarity and certainty, which allows investors to participate and entrepreneurs to build. Iran banned Bitcoin mining operations on Wednesday amid power shortages. China has cracked down on miners in recent months too, after concerns about energy consumption. The Ripple CEO has been a critic of how much energy Bitcoin mining uses, but says he is far from the only figure who has raised the issue, with everyone from Elon Musk to Bill Gates and Jack Dorsey weighing in. And Ripple is not waging some secret war against Bitcoin. If Ripple could control those people, we probably wouldn't have a lawsuit from the SEC, he said. Earlier last month, Ripple beefed up its board, appointing former US Treasurer Rosie Rios, who after her appointment tweeted that, "Let the future begin. I think at the end of the day, the industry should focus on utility. And are these technologies solving real problems for real customers?" Garlinghouse previously told CNBC, adding that Ripple will continue to leverage its XRP ledger and tokens to make payments efficient. Still, the company has threatened to relocate to other jurisdictions if XRP is deemed a security in the United States. Ripple XRP price analysis. Falling short of the first major resistance level at $1.07, Ripple's XRP slid to a late morning intraday low of 91 cents. The sell-off saw Ripple's XRP fall through the first major support level at $1.01 and the second major support level at 97 cents. Steering clear of the third major support level at 90 cents, Ripple's XRP revisited 98 cents before a bearish end to the day. Ripple's XRP briefly broke back through the second major support level at 97 cents before ending the day at the sub-97 cent levels. Ripple's XRP left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Ripple's XRP will need to avoid a fallback through the 97 cent pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $1.03 into play. Support from the broader markets would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break back through the $1 levels. In the event of an extended rally, Ripple's XRP could test resistance level at $1.15, and the first major resistance level sits at $1.10. A fallback through the 97 cent pivot would bring the first major support level at 90 cents into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of the 62% fib of 85 cents. The second major support level sits at 84 cents. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of 85 cents would form a near-term bearish trend from April 14th swing high of $1.96. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 93 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.5 billion USD. XRP is down 0.13% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $43.2 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think of this video? Or if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching.